Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit messages on Telegram desktop. Sometimes you may send a message and then notice a spelling mistake, a missing word, or information that you want to change. Instead of deleting the entire message and sending a new one, Telegram allows you to edit certain messages after they have been sent. So let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, select the conversation where you want to edit a message. Now, find a message that you have already sent. Keep in mind that you can generally edit your own messages, not messages sent by other people. Once you find the message, right-click on it. A menu with several options will appear. From this menu, select Edit. Telegram will now open the message for editing. You can change the text, correct spelling mistakes, add missing information, or make any other necessary changes. Once you have finished editing the message, review the updated text carefully. Then, press the Enter key or use the available confirmation option to save the changes. Telegram will update the message with your new text. You may also notice an edited label next to the message. This indicates that the message was changed after it was originally sent. Editing a message can be very useful when you make a typing mistake or want to quickly correct something without sending another message. It can also help keep conversations clean and organized. Remember that the exact editing options may depend on the type of message and the Telegram version you are using. If you do not see the edit option, make sure that you are selecting a message sent by you. For this tutorial, you can use a simple test message so that you can safely demonstrate the editing process. And that's how you can edit messages on Telegram desktop. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.